Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to save money while shopping online using the Honey Chrome extension. Honey automatically finds and applies coupon code for you in just one click. So let's get started. So firstly, open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Honey. Then the first one is Honey automated coupon and reward. Then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once installed, Honey will appear near the top right corner of Chrome. You can mark it as pin. Then click on the extension and sign in with your Google account or create a free account. So I already signed in. So click on next step. Again click on next step. Next step, then click on finish demo. Now open any shopping website like Amazon, eBay, Walmart or others. So I'm opening Amazon. Now, now add a product to your cart and go to checkout. Like select any product. I'm using this. Click on add to cart. Go to cart. Now when Honey detects valuable coupon, a pop-up will appear, or you can just click on the Honey icon. Here you will see. Click on proceed to buy. You can sign in with your email account. And Honey will automatically apply a coupon for you when you sign in with your email account. After a few seconds, it will apply the best working count for you. Here you will see it will prompt you like look for the orange H to save. If you are shopping online and the H is orange, that means you have on the 40,000 plus sites and you automatically find discount. That's it. This is how you can save money with the Honey Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.